double cloth, self-stitched double cloth, warp tying principle. First select face view and back view. Here face view 4 up 4 down 12 and back view 4 up 4 down 12. Ratio of face to back 1:1. Face and back view 4 up 4 down 12. Grab size 16:16. Mark face and back in alternate order 1:1 ratio. Face back, 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 face and back. The width also we are arrange the same order 1:1 ratio. One face and one back in the width order. Then mark face view on the face threads. Now we are taking face warp and face weft. Mark the face view on the face threads. The twill order. Four up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 down. Then second end. 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, 4 up, 4 down. The same way we can fill all the 8 ends of face threads. Then mark the back view on the back threads. Here we are take back warp and back weft. Then mark the back view. So here we are taking back warp and back weft. The same 4 up 4 down twill order. Now we are completing the twill view on face with face and back with back. The next step is lift all the face warp and back weft. So here taking face warp and back weft. So now we are taking face warp and back weft. Here we are lifting the warp and the face warp and the back weft. So the next step is warp tying. So tying between back warp with face weft. Okay. Back warp with face weft. So I am taking tying here. So this is complete double cloth, self stitch double cloth with using warp tying principle. All the blank portions mentioned weft up over the warp, that is face weft over face warp and back weft over back warp.